Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable the exchange rate alerts in Wise. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Wise application at very first. And after opening the Wise application, you will get to see a bunch of options into this home page. Now, into this page, you just simply have to tap to your profile picture into the top left side. And after tapping into there, you will get to see a bunch of options. Just simply go to settings, and after going into the settings page, you will get to see this exchange rate alerts option. Just simply select that and then go to create a new alert option. And after going into this page, you will get to select any of the source currency and target currency. Just simply select the currency as you want, and after that, you can choose this daily updates or threshold updates. Just simply select the updates according your preference and then tap to continue. And tap to save alert and your alert will be saved. This way, you can very easily enabled exchange rate alerts for different currency into Wise application. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.